Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into Sewing Machine Maintenance 101. Keep your machine running smoothly. Ready to keep those projects humming along? Let's get started with keeping your sewing machine in tip-top shape. First up, let's talk about keeping your machine clean. Dust bunnies and thread scraps are the enemies of a happy sewing machine. Regularly brush away lint and debris from your bobbin area and feed dogs. A small brush or even a toothbrush works wonders. This keeps everything running smoothly and prevents those annoying jams that can ruin your sewing groove. Pro tip: do this after every big project, and maybe even more often if you sew a lot. Next, oiling. Most machines need a drop or two of oil in specific spots. Check your machine's manual, it'll tell you exactly where to put it. Don't go overboard, too much oil can be just as bad as too little, leading to oil stains on your fabric. A tiny drop is all you need. Think of it as a spa day for your sewing machine. A little pampering goes a long way. Now, let's chat about needles. Using the right needle for your fabric is absolutely crucial. Using a dull or bent needle can cause skipped stitches, broken threads, and even damage your machine, which can lead to costly repairs. Change your needle after every few projects, or whenever you notice a problem like uneven stitching or thread breakage. Needles are cheap, machine repairs are not, trust me. You don't want to deal with those expenses. Thread quality matters. Cheap thread can break easily, leave behind loads of lint, and generally cause headaches and frustration. Invest in good quality thread, even if it costs a bit more. It'll make your sewing life so much easier and more enjoyable. Trust me on this one, it's a game changer. Bobbin case care is important too. The bobbin case is where the magic happens, right? Make sure it's clean and free of lint and thread scraps. Sometimes, a tiny thread scrap can cause major problems with tension and stitch quality. Clean it regularly, at least every time you clean your machine, to avoid tension issues. Skip stitches and thread breaks. Now, let's move on to tension. If your stitches look wonky, too loose, too tight, or just plain uneven, the tension might be off. Check your machine's manual for how to adjust the tension. It's often a simple dial or setting, but it can make a huge difference in your stitch quality and the overall look of your projects. Take the time to learn how to adjust it. Don't forget the light bulb. A burned out light bulb can make it hard to see your work, especially when you're working on those intricate details. Replace it promptly. A well-lit workspace is a happy workspace, and makes sewing so much easier on your eyes. Brighten up your sewing area. If your machine starts making strange noises, don't ignore it. Something might be loose, or something might need oiling or cleaning. Investigate. A little troubleshooting can prevent big problems and costly repairs down the line. Check the manual, search online for solutions, or even take it to a professional if you're unsure. Early detection can save you a lot of hassle. Finally, cover your machine when you're not using it. This protects it from dust, debris, and even sunlight, which can damage the internal components of your machine over time. A simple dust cover can save you a lot of cleaning time and extend the life of your machine. Keep it safe and sound and ready for your next creative adventure. And that's Sewing Machine Maintenance 101. A little care and attention goes a long way in ensuring your sewing machine runs smoothly and helps you create amazing projects for years to come. Happy sewing, and may your stitches always be straight and true. Thanks for watching.